The Coach Large Kisslock Frame Bag is a timeless and elegant accessory that combines vintage charm with modern functionality. Known for its iconic kisslock closure and structured silhouette, this bag is a staple in Coach's collection, appealing to those who appreciate classic design and premium craftsmanship. Description: the Large Kisslock Frame Bag features a structured frame with a signature kisslock closure, offering a secure and stylish way to access your belongings. The bag is crafted from high-quality leather or coated canvas, depending on the design, and is adorned with Coach's signature hardware and branding. Its spacious interior makes it practical for everyday use, while its polished design ensures it transitions seamlessly from day to night. Review: pros, timeless, vintage-inspired design, durable and high-quality materials, spacious interior with enough room for essentials, versatile for both casual and formal occasions, secure kisslock closure adds a retro touch. Cons: the structured design may feel bulky for some, limited color options compared to other Coach collections, higher price point due to premium materials and craftsmanship. Color options: the Coach Large Kisslock Frame Bag is available in a variety of colors including classic black, chalk, navy blue, oxblood, deep red, signature Coach prints, for example monogram or floral designs. Price: the price of the Coach Large Kisslock Frame Bag typically ranges from $350 to $550, depending on the material, design, and retailer. Limited edition or special collaboration pieces may cost more. Overall, the Coach Large Kisslock Frame Bag is a sophisticated and functional accessory that pays homage to Coach's heritage while catering to modern tastes. Its durable construction, spacious interior, and iconic design make it a worthwhile investment for those seeking a versatile and stylish bag. While it may be on the pricier side, its timeless appeal and quality craftsmanship ensure it will remain a wardrobe staple for years to come.